Hey, it's your nail friend Kate. I'm here today to give you 8 tips on how to get your salon manicure to last as long as possible. I am a licensed nail tech in the state of Connecticut and California. You might be watching this on my website on my aftercare page, and if so, thank you for getting a nice manicure from me. But if not, this is for the girlies that get salon manicures or do their nails at home. This isn't about how to do a manicure, but yet once you've had a manicure, how to make that last as long as possible. So if you want to get 5-week retention, kind of like this, keep watching. First and foremost, your nails are jewels, not tools, so treat them kindly. Instead of using your nails to open packages, open mail, scrape labels off of something, open a soda can, pry things open in any manner, you're gonna find the right tool for that. So your best friend will be a box cutter. Your best friend could be a butter knife and the back of a spoon. Anything that you can use other than your nails to pry something open, that's cool with me. If you have someone in your life who cares about you, they can become your second set of hands. So your partner, your roommate, your friend, your mom and dad, they're gonna be doing that job for you now. Another way that you can treat your nails kindly is to use gloves when cleaning. It's important to note that soaps and common household cleaners do dry out your natural nail, and a dry natural nail is gonna wanna curve inward, and that will mean that it is curling away from whatever product you have on top of it, which we don't want. So in order to avoid that, you're gonna wear gloves when cleaning, gardening, working on your cool car or motorcycle, whatever it is that you're using, cleaners or a lot of soap, try to wear gloves. So that leads me to my next tip, which is don't let your hands soak in hot water or in humid environments. Soaking your nails in hot water or hanging out in a sauna or steam room is going to soften the gel or whatever product's on your nails, and it'll also cause the adhesion between the manicure and your natural nail to weaken. So this will cause your manicure to lift, chip, crack. So if you find yourself in a bathtub or a hot tub, keep your hands out of the water. If you find yourself in a sauna, maybe don't. The thing that I see the most with my clients is them hand washing dishes without dish gloves. And we don't want that because we don't want a premature degradation of your nice manicure. Another way that you can have your manicure last as long as possible is to adjust how you use your nails and your fingers in everyday life. An example of this is using your knuckle to press, an elevator button, to press buttons instead of your tip of your nail. You'll use your finger pads to type, not the tips of your nails. And another thing that I like to do is when I'm using a sponge to clean a countertop or something, I will hold the sponge like this instead of like this, because then if I hit the backsplash, I'm not hitting it with the tips of my nails, which will cause my nails to crack. All right, this next one, I'm not here to shame anybody, especially after the last few years that we've had, but it is important to not pick, lift, peel your manicure off of your nails. When you do this, you are peeling top layers of your nail plate off with the gel enhancement, acrylic, whatever it is that you have on your nails. And nails that are damaged are less likely to retain a manicure in the future. This next one is possibly the most important and the one that your nail tech will love you for, and that is to use cuticle oil daily and to keep your nails and the skin around your nails hydrated and moisturized. The reason why is because cuticle oil brings moisture back into your nail plate and into the skin around your nails. When your nail is hydrated and moisturized, it is actually more flexible, so it's less likely to break or crack. Nails that are dehydrated or really dry are brittle, and they're way more likely to crack. They're also less likely to retain product. That's not totally true. I guess you need to dehydrate your nails when you're putting product on, but then after that, you need your nails to be hydrated. A nail that's dehydrated, again, is gonna try and curl in on itself like this, and that will cause it to peel away, especially on the corners and the sides from your natural nail. All right, my next one is throw away your nail clippers. If you have any sort of manicure or enhancement on your nail and it's feeling too long, or you're not liking the shape, or the shape needs to be sharpened up, you should always, always, always file your nails shorter with a nail file, not clip them with a nail clipper. When you clip the nail with a nail clipper, you create a lot of pressure and you're prone to getting cracks in the enhancement or causing the enhancement to lift away from your natural nail. This one's really important. If you're experiencing cracks, breakage, and especially lifting, you should move your next manicure up. If you have lifting, every time you wash your hands, water will get in between your nail enhancement and your natural nail. And while that doesn't seem like that big of a deal, the bacteria in the water can cause greenies or pseudomonas, which can turn your nail green. It takes a long time for your nail to grow out and no longer have this green stain on it, and if left untreated or uncared for, it can get worse. Untreated lifting can also cause your natural nail to not retain product as well. So it's really important to get into your salon, in with your nail tech to remedy nails that aren't lasting. So that's it. Those are my tips for having your manicure last as long as possible. If you're interested in cuticle oil, there is a link in the description box below. And if you'd like to see a video that's how to get your manicure to last as long as possible that you've done on yourself, and tips for how to give yourself a good long-lasting manicure, let me know in the comments below because I'd love to make that video for you.